Hello guys, welcome to Theodiya's bee farm. Today we are here in the farm somewhere in Ogun State to install our apiary. So very soon we'll get to the farm and start baiting the boxes. After baiting the boxes, they will be installed and getting ready for the bees to come and colonize. I'll catch you all at the farm. So here are the boxes and the stands that we are going to bait and install today. We have about 7 boxes here. So after baiting them, we'll just start baiting them now. So we came here very early so that we will still go back to Lagos on time today. So about 7 boxes that we have to bait this morning and install. Okay guys, we are in the baiting process. You can see my kid sister doing it. I'm not alone here, my wife is also here with me. Baby, say hi to them.
Hello, hi.
So we are in the baiting process. These two have already been baited. So the process is ongoing. So I'm rubbing inside the boxes. All the boxes I'll be rubbing inside them so that it will have a feel of original bee hive. So the bees will think that a colony just left there and they will be able to colonize it again and live inside it. All right, guys, we have fully baited all the 7 boxes. These are all the 7 boxes fully baited. So what we're now going to work on is on the stand. If you can see here, we came with some empty bottled water. You can see them here. So we are going to cut them and put them under. This leg will sit inside it mixed with what do you call it, grease. So that is the next stage we are going to do now. So that is to deter ants from crawling inside these boxes, because this is a bush, it's a farmland, so there are ants everywhere. So if you didn't do that, definitely once we drop it inside the apiary farm now and leave this place, before 24 hours, ants will visit all these boxes. So we are going to use that grease to stop ants from crawling inside the boxes. So here is the grease. Though I've already greased some of them. You can see that. So I'll just take one. Just take it like this. Hope you're getting it. So I'll get this and rub it inside it. Rub it round inside this. All around, so that even if ants crawl inside, they cannot get to the stand. So that is the whole essence of doing this greasing. That's part of, you can use oil. They said you can use palm oil in this economy. That you can also use vegetable oil, which is a king in this economy. But I decided to go for grease, which is affordable. So that is basically what I'm doing for these ones. I'm going to do for the whole 24 legs. The legs are up to 24. So I'm going to do all that for all of them. Since the boxes has been baited, if you just put it like that, as I said earlier, ants will take over and colonize your boxes before the bees will even attempt coming close. So that's the whole essence of doing this, so that your beehives will be intact for the bees to come and colonize. So this is the way I decided to do it. The hives have all been installed. You can see them. They've all been installed. There are 7 hives here. You can see them. They are all They've all been installed, waiting for the bees to come and colonize. But one last thing we are going to do now, we are going to use the lemongrass essential oil to bait it. That is a powerful attractant. Even though that we've used the beeswax to do it, beeswax will also lure them, but lemongrass oil lures them better. Because the lemongrass has a mimics the pheromone of the queen bee. So that is what will attract them well. The wax oil we applied on them is to give them kind of guideline to make them feel that inside this place is a hive for them to live. So under all the frames, they were all baited. We are going to bait this one now. So what we baited under the frames is for them to have a guideline of how they are going to build their comb. So once they perceive that beeswax oil, they will follow that line to build their comb in a straight line, connecting it with the wire in the frame. So what we are going to do right now is just to go drop them the essential lemongrass essential oil, which is this that you are seeing here. So please hold this camera for me. Follow me. So we've been able to open it. So I'm dipping this in it. Okay. So I'm going to drop just few drops. The entrance and the inside. Just to give it that aroma of a queen bee. Okay. Okay. So this lemongrass oil is a powerful attractant for the bees. As I said, it mimics the queen's pheromone. So anything that mimics the queen's pheromone, that is where the bees will go. So the thing is that once they come here and see these powerful apartments that we built for them, instead of staying inside the bush or inside the tree where rain will be disturbing them, where people will be disturbing them, this place is very perfect, very okay for them to stay. So they will definitely live in this duplex that we have prepared for them. Okay. Sit for the application of the lemongrass oil. So we are done here, as you can see. We've done baiting the hives. So it's now left for the bees to come and occupy free of charge. Yeah, so we'll start covering them now. Start using the covers to cover them. Check, that's not a cover. Use the next one. Are you sure it's the one? Okay. Right. Yes, there you have it. Let me go back a bit. Let me go back a bit so that you get the full view of it. So you can see the 7 stands are well standing, all baited and ready to be colonized by honeybees. So we are waiting for them to come and colonize the bees. So don't forget to share this video. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and like our video. If you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to share and follow. This is Theodiya's Bee Farm signing out.